Learn today. Housing and clothing. Hello friends, let us look at the topic housing and clothing for class 2. Topics covered are kinds of house, materials used to make houses, clothes of different types. Let us start. Mom, I do not want to go to school today. Let me sleep some more, said Kevin. In which of the following rooms should Kevin be present at this time? Option A, drawing room. Option B, study room. Option C, bathroom. Option D, bedroom. Answer is bedroom. He wants to sleep some more, so he must be in the bedroom. We get dash fiber from the animal shown here. Option A, cotton. Option B, jute. Option C, silk. Option D, woolen. The answer is woolen. Sheep and some other animals like mountain goat, etc. give us woolen fibers which are used to make warm clothes. Ria's grandmother is making cloth from wool yarn. What is this method called? Option A, weaving. Option B, knitting. Option C, spinning. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, knitting. Knitting is a process of making cloth from wool yarn. Ashok's house is built on wooden logs and it has sloping roofs. Ashok most probably be residing in a place where dash 1. Flood is common, 2. Heavy rainfall occurs, 3. Snowfall occurs, 4. Earthquakes are common. The answer is 1, 2 and 3. House that is built on wooden logs and it has sloping roofs, they are called as stilt houses. Stilt houses are common in places where flood is common, heavy rainfall occurs and snowfall occurs. In hilly areas, houses are made with sloping roofs because it prevents dash. Option A, flood water to enter into a house. Option B, the house from breaking down in storms. Option C, mountain animals from getting into a house. Option D, snow from collecting on the roof. In hilly areas, snow is common. Therefore, houses are made with sloping roofs. It prevents snow from collecting on the roof. The answer is option D, snow from collecting on the roof. Select the clothing item that is made from the fiber whose name will be obtained from unscrambling the letters given in the box. ILSK. Option A, gloves. Option B, cap. Option C, raincoat. Option D, silk. Sari. So when we unscramble the letters given in the box, we get silk. So the clothing item that is made from silk is silk sari. Option D. A material X is obtained from the given plant. The cloth made from X is not suitable to be worn in which Indian season? Option A, spring season. Option B, summer season. Option C, winter season. Option D, autumn season. The answer is winter season. Cotton is obtained from the plant shown in the screen. The cloth made from cotton plant is not suitable to be worn in winter season because in winter season it is very cold. We do not wear cotton clothes in winter season. Refer to the diagram and select the correct option regarding X and Y. Let us look at the diagram. Y is houses in areas prone to snowfall. X is houses in areas prone to snowfall and also houses in areas prone to rainfall. The answer is option A, X has sloping roof and Y is made of wood. Select the incorrect option out of the following. Option A, gypsies live in temporary houses like a bungalow. Option B, a stilt house can never be found in hilly areas with snowfall. Option C, sloping roofs are found in all permanent houses because they are cheaper to be built. Option D, all of these. The answer is All of these. All of the options are incorrect. Let us look at the options one by one. Option A. Gypsies live in temporary houses like a bungalow. Bungalow is not a temporary house. And gypsies live in temporary houses like a caravan or a tent. A stilt house can never be found in hilly areas with snowfall. Stilt houses can be found in hilly areas with snowfall. Option C. Sloping roofs are found in all permanent houses because they are cheaper to be built. Sloping roofs are not found in all permanent houses. Neela finds a piece of cloth whose characteristics are as follows. It entraps air, burns with the smell of burning air. This shows that the piece of cloth is made up of dash. Option A, synthetic fiber. Option B, cotton fiber. Option C, jute fiber. Option D, woolen fiber. The answer is option D, woolen fiber. Woolen fibers entrap air to keep us warm and burn with the smell of burning hair because they are made from hair of animals like sheep, etc. Study the given chart. What could be D, E, F and G? Let us look at the chart. Types of cloth fiber, plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber we have obtained from fruits, that is D, obtained from stem, E. Animal fiber obtained from hair, that is F, obtained from cocoon, G. Let us look at the options. Option A, D is jute. Jute we get from stem and not from fruit, so that is wrong. Option B, D is cotton. Yes, cotton we get from fruit of plant. E is jute. Jute is obtained from stem of plant fiber. That's right. And F is wool. Wool is obtained from hair of animals. G is silk. Silk is obtained from cocoon of animals. So the correct option is option B. According to the weather forecast in Chennai given below, which of these one should wear or carry on 3rd July 20XX in case one goes out? On 3rd July, we can see that the weather is rainy. So therefore, from the options, we should wear a raincoat while going out. So the answer is option C, raincoat. Banjara is an Indian community in which people keep moving from one place to another. They are called nomads. They live in dash. Option A, caravan. Option B, igloo. Option C, tent. Option D, stilt house. The answer is tent. Nomads are people who move from one place to another. They live in tents. 4 equal sized pieces of cloth A, B, C, D on soaking in water absorbs water. The amount of water absorbed is given in the graph. Which of these is more suited to make raincoat? So we can see in the graph that A absorbs least amount of water, B absorbs no water at all, C absorbs most amount of water and D absorbs medium amount of water. In the question, they are asking which is the most suited to make raincoat. Raincoat should not absorb water. Therefore, the answer is B. Option C, B. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Learn Today. Thank you.